The Supreme Court of India has made significant observations on abortion laws while hearing a sensitive case involving a minor rape survivor. On Thursday, a bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant along with Justice Joymalia Bagchi stated that a minor cannot be forced to continue a pregnancy. The court also urged the central government to consider amending the law to allow rape survivors to terminate pregnancies even beyond the current 20-week legal limit. The remarks came during the hearing of a petition filed by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which had sought to overturn a lower court order permitting a 15-year-old rape survivor to terminate her 30-week pregnancy. Strongly criticizing the plea, the Supreme Court said that such cases involve child rape and must be handled with extreme sensitivity. The bench observed that forcing a minor to continue an unwanted pregnancy would cause lifelong psychological trauma and emotional scars. The court further emphasized that unwanted pregnancy cannot be thrust on a person, adding that the decision must rest with the survivor and her parents, not external institutions. While AIIMS and the central government had argued that terminating a 30-week pregnancy would involve serious medical risks, the Supreme Court responded that medical bodies cannot make decisions on behalf of citizens in matters involving personal rights and dignity. The court also underlined that the law must be organic and evolve with changing times and circumstances. It further directed that trials in such sensitive cases should ideally be completed within a week to prevent prolonged trauma for survivors. This observation by the Supreme Court has once again sparked a wider legal and ethical debate on reproductive rights, medical ethics, and the need for reforms in India's abortion laws. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.